Welcome back. In this video we're going to be creating bag tags using SVG files. So you can see here's an example of one that I've done. And to do this you need to download, if you haven't got it, which is a program called Inkscape, which is here, and I will add a link to this so you can download it for yourself to be able to do these types of bag tags using SVG files. First thing I normally do is go on to my Google Chrome search. I type in cartoon, shark, animal, whatever animal or anything you want to have for your model. And then what I do is I'm just going to choose this one here. And I could have chosen any of these along here with any type of other ones. You want to try and make sure the drawing is nice and clean. Go right click on it, go save image as, and then you can save that image. Once you've saved that image, then you need to make sure you know where it is. Click on Inkscape, go to File, Import, and you can import that into your drawing. Just left click on the corner, drag it a little bit bigger so you can see what you're doing, and then move it across. Then once you've done that, go to Path, up the top here, click on Trace Bitmap, and you can see what the image is going to look like after it's been traced. Go Apply, drag the other one out. If you're using a black and white drawing, and sometimes you do, if you zoom in, you can see that it pixelates. That's not the drawing you want. You want the drawing that when you zoom in, it doesn't pixelate. So we can then click on, get rid of that one, drag that across, and then go to File, Save As, and then you can save as, and so where a place you can find it. So we've done that. We can then go back into our Fusion. I'll just open a new drawing. And what I normally do is go create a sketch, go top, and click on that. And then I find that the bag tags are normally no bigger than 60 by 60 millimeters. So I normally just go in and draw a rectangle. I just draw a rectangle 60. Then hit tab, tab 60, tab 60, enter. It gives me a size to put my image in as it. I go to Insert, SVG file from my computer, and there it is there. I open, and then I drag it into where I want it to go, and then I can scale it up to about that size of the box, which is about right there. I might just scale it down a fraction more, go there, I go OK, and then what I normally do is just delete out all these components here. The other one is I could make it a construction line if I wanted to, but at the moment we'll just leave it at that. Go Finish. And then we have our SVG file in here as a sketch. The best way I normally go from here is go to Extrude, highlight everything, go -4 millimeters, and then go OK. And that gives us our line of our shark. And then we can click on our sketch. So go over here, click on our sketch, and there you have your sketch there. And then what I can do now is go to Extrude all the components that I want to extrude from there. I click on them, everything I want, and like so. And just go around and do that. Now what you can do now is you can either go up or down, whatever you want to go to. You can try either way. So I normally go up, say about 0.5 millimeters. Go to Join, and I go OK, and then turn off my sketch, and you can then see my shark. You can also go down and cut into it if you wanted to. Just to make it stand out a little bit more, what I normally do is go to Appearance, or A, and then from here you can then start adding some colour to it. The shark's normally about a grey colour, so I'm just going to grab the grey. We'll just click it over. We also need to make sure we're on Faces. Click on Faces. Go here, we'll go a grey to his body. There you go. We'll go a grey to all these different components, like so. And then we'll make his teeth and his eye grey. Oops, sorry, there we go. Drag it over there. Didn't quite work. Make his teeth. Zoom in a bit more. Make it easier. Drag it all over. I'm just doing this to make it stand out a little bit more so you can see it clearly what we've done. Like so, and like so. and then I'll go black for the rest of the components here. Drag it in black for inside his eyes, and we can drag it in black here. You can change whatever color you want to go into. I'm just doing this for effect, so you can see what I'm doing. Just dragging these little ones here, zoom in, and just like so. So that's how you can do it. And the next thing we just need to do is add a hole for the keyring to go onto. Zoom in a bit more, it's a bit awkward. There we go, one more in here. And if I want to, I can zoom in and do these as well. I won't do this at the moment, but you can clearly see how you can come up with your tag. I'll go close, then I'll create a sketch on this face here. Do a circle or C for shortcut, type in 5, enter. I can move that around to where I want it to go, maybe about here somewhere. Go finish, click it off, extrude, left click, drag it down, make sure it cuts, go OK. And then what I normally do is just put a 0.5mm fillet on it. So this edge and this edge here, just type in 0.5. Just give it a little bit of a colour there. And then if I wanted to, just keep on touching that up to match it in. Make sure I click on face again. Drag it in like so. And there you go. And I would normally go in there. You can also change colours, whatever you want as well. That's how quickly you can make a key tag or a bag tag for what you want to do. And you can do that. You can do this for any design. Like I said, I've done a horse. You can go in and create any image you like from Google search, as long as you can go through your Inkscape and create an SVG file. So there you go. Once you've done that, you can just then click on here. I have to make sure I save it first. Save it. Do your drop down box from here, and then you can 3D print. Click on that and then save it to there, so you can put it into your slice up and you can create 3D bag tags. So best of luck and have a go at it. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.